Assalamualaikum. My name is Hasha binti Samsul. So today I'm going to represent my group that are going to present about elasticity. So my group consists of 4 people, which is Ammar Ezzuddin, Nur Farah Nabila, Nur Yasmin, and me myself Hasha Deena. So first, I'm going to present to you guys for question 1. So here you can see for this question, it is asking about Ammar's boutique. She has conducted a survey to her customer to collect data about the quantity of the item they purchase, the price, and their monthly income. So for question 1, number 1, for the first item, Ammar sold for $50 per item. The quantity demanded for this item was 150 items. Ammar succeeding in getting $7,500. Then she increased her price to $60 per item and only getting 100 quantity demand from the customers. Her revenue goes to $6,000 only. So here, I'm making the conclusion for the elasticity. I use the formula of Q1 minus Q0 over Q0 divided by P0 over P0 minus P1. And I got negative 1.67, which is elastic. But then I need to change it to be a positive value, and the final answer is 1.67. And next, Ammar decided to put her price for $40 per item, and she succeeding in getting 180 demand per item, and she then collecting $7,200 as her revenue. For the calculation, it's as the same as before, and I end up getting negative 2.4, which is also elastic. Same as before, I need to change it to a positive value, and the final answer is 2.4. Then we go to question 1, number 2. Question 1, number 2, asking for the implications of the price elasticity value for Ammar's boutique in terms of pricing strategies and revenue generations. Based on the answer on my number 1, Ammar has elastic price of demand. This is because the change in the price leads to bigger percentage change in demand. Knowing the price elasticity of this demand can then maximize the revenue. This also helps the firm management when making pricing decision for its product. The first situation is when the price is increasing, then the total revenue will absolutely decrease. Secondly, when the price is decreasing, the total revenue will increase. To sum up, if the demand for the goods is elastic, an increase in price will reduce the total of the revenue. So that's for my question, and I will pass it to my friend.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Yasmin. So I am presenting question number 2. This is the calculation for the low income level and the moderate income level. For question 2A, interpret whether the goods are normal or inferior based on the calculated income elasticity. Based on the calculation, the change in consumers' income causes the change in quantity demand. In this case, the quantity demanded at the low income level and the moderate income level are the same, which is EY equals to 1. Means a 50% increase in income lead to 50% increase in demand. Since the answer is positive, the goods is considered as normal goods. For question number 2B, based on the income elasticity results, classify Ammar's boutique clothing items into different types of goods: normal, inferior, or luxury. Provide reasoning for your classification, considering the relationship between changes in income and the quantity demanded. Based on the income elasticity results, Ammar's boutique clothing items is a normal goods which have a positive income elasticity of demand, where a change in demand and a change in income move in the same direction. It has a positive relationship between changes in income and the quantity demand. a normal good or necessary good does not refer to the quality of the good, but rather the level of demand for the good and its relationship to the increases or decreases of a consumer's income level. Consumers will have more purchasing power as their income rises, that allowing them to buy more of normal goods. For example, when an individual income rises, they tend to spend more on clothing at luxury clothing stores. Consumers may also opt for designer clothing located in high-end markets.
Okay, Assalamualaikum guys. So my name is Ammar Ezzuddin bin Muhammad Redzuan. Today I'm going to present to you about question number 3. So first of all, number 1. Explain the sign of each of the cross price elasticities. What does it imply about the relationship between the two goods in question? So for the answer is, if the cross price elasticity is positive, it implies that the goods are substitutes. An increase in the price of one good leads to an increase in the quantity demanded for the other. But if the gross price elasticity is negative, it indicates that the goods are complements. A price increase for one good results in a decrease in the quantity demanded for the other. Okay, so the number 2, the question is, compare to absolute the values of the cross price elasticity and explain their magnitudes. For example, why is the cross price elasticity of McDonald's burgers and Burger King less than cross price elasticity of butter and margarine? So my answer is, in this case of McDonald's burgers and Burger King burgers having a lower cross price elasticity compared to butter and margarine, it suggests that the fast food burgers are likely to substitutes with a relatively smaller responsiveness to price changes compared to butter and margarine, which are likely closer substitutes with a higher responsiveness. The magnitude of cross price elasticity reflects how consumers perceive the substitute's ability or complementary of the goods in question. So that's all for me. We are going to question number 4.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Farah Nabila and I will present to you question number 4. Based on the text above, consider a scenario in the market for a specific brand of laptops. The price of the laptop increases from $800 to $900, leading a manufacturer to increase its quantity supply from 1,500 units to 1,800 units. Let's move forward to the question, to the first question. As we can see, we need to calculate the price elasticity of supplies. For this solution part, we need to use QS1 minus QS0 per QS0 divided P1 minus P0 per P0. And the final answer is 1.6%. For the second question, in the context of the laptops market scenario, discuss how technological advancement contribute to the elasticity or inelasticity of supply in the electronic industry. The answer is, the laptop market undergoes continuous evolution fueled by ongoing technological advancement, affecting its elasticity or inelasticity. Elasticity of supply indicates the extent to which quantity supply adjusts to price fluctuations, while inelasticity suggests a weaker response of supply to price changes. Technological advancement in manufacturing processes, materials, and production techniques can lead to a more elasticity supply of laptops. For example, advancement in automation, robotics, and efficient supply chain management can lower production costs and increase manufacturing efficiency. This allows manufacturers to respond more quickly and effectively to changes in price by adjusting their quantity supply. In the given scenario, if the manufacturer can easily ramp up production due to technological advancement, the supply of laptops become more elastic, meaning that the manufacturer can increase output more readily in response to a price increase. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.